Today we are discussing symmetry. Okay, so here we are drawing a isosceles triangle, and isosceles triangle having two equal sides. Then we draw a vertical line of a symmetry in that triangle. So in previous video I explained you about the line of the symmetry, vertical and the horizontal line. Okay, so these shapes is a symmetrical shape. Okay, so this symmetry is called the reflection symmetry. When these two shapes are getting overlapped, so we say it is a reflection. If we take a one part and keep it on the mirror, we will get the original shape. The reflection of one part completes the shape. But what is the other kind of the symmetry? Do we have another kind? Okay, so to know the answer, here one another figure for you. This figure is made up of a 6 square, to be precise. Okay, now I want to tell you if this shape is a reflection symmetry or not. Can तुम लोग इस शेप में से कोई लाइन ऑफ अ सिमेट्री ड्रॉ कर सकते हो? ट्राई करो, अगर आती है तो गुड, बट व्हेन वी रियलाइज दैट नो सच लाइन कैन बी ड्रॉन, इसमें से हम लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं, सो इट इज दिस फिगर इज having no reflection symmetry. Okay, but we have to think about the rotational symmetry. So what is the rotational symmetry? So do you know what does mean? So as the suggests name, let's try rotating the figure about its center point. And what does rotating about the center point means? Center point पे ही rotate करना. That means what happens, you see here वन ट्राइंगल इज गिवन टू यू. सो इस ट्राइंगल को तुम लोग सेंटर पॉइंट से भी रोटेट कर सकते हो, या फिर वो पॉइंट को थोड़ा ऊपर किया तो भी रोटेट होगा वो पॉइंट से ट्राइंगल. ओके, या फिर तुम लोग उसको उसके एक पॉइंट पे रोटेट कर सकते हो. सो रोटेशन पॉइंट डिफरेंटली भी रोटेट हो सकता है. सो बट वी हैव टू टेक द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ द फिगर. ओके, so we will come back to our original figure. We rotate the figure completely around the center point once. See how many times it looked exactly like the original ones. हमको उसको rotate करना है center point से, and after that कितनी 360 डिग्रीज में कितने टाइम्स वो उसके ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आती है, ये हमको चेकआउट करना है. और हमारा जो काउंटर है साइड में वो चेक करेगा कि एक पूरा सर्कल होने में वो फिगर उसके ओरिजिनल फिगर के जैसे कितनी बार आई है. ओके, सो वी आर रोटेटिंग फर्स्ट टाइम. इट लुक लाइक प्रीवियस फिगर? नो, it not the same as the original one. Okay, still our counter is 0. So let's rotate the original shape by 180 degrees. So we are again rotating it. We see that it look exactly like the original shape. ये हमारे पहले के फिगर्स एग्जैक्ट मैच हो रही है. सो वी इंक्रीमेंट of our by our counter. So we counting the rotating it till we finish one complete rotation. That means one complete circle. Then after next rotation, it's not the original figure. ये हमारी original figure से match नहीं हो रही. Then last rotation, at that time we make our 360 degree rotation. So it is also same. So our counter has a 2. So what is the 2? It tells us that when its figure is rotated completely by 360 degrees, the rotated image looks exactly like the original image twice. That means हम जब भी हमारी फिगर 360 डिग्री में रोटेट करते हैं तो हमारी फिगर उस रोटेशन में 2 टाइम्स एग्जैक्टली हमारे प्रीवियस फिगर के जैसे दिखी. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द रोटेशनल सिमेट्री, एंड ऑर्डर ऑफ दैट रोटेशनल सिमेट्री इज 2. सो वी हैव टू थिंक ओवर दैट. Some very easy examples are there, so we discuss it. What is the rotational symmetry? If and a shape has a rotational symmetry if it looks exactly same as its original figure. A number of times when it rotate in the 360 degree is the degree of that figure. Okay, so here in our figure the degree is 2, or the order is 2. Okay, It is very simple for understand. You just have to find out the rotations, how much rotations that figures need. Then we will see the some another examples. So and that examples we are finding the rotational figure. Okay, you see the first shape is oval, then the second shape is a square, third equilateral, and a circle. So first is our oval. We find out that order of the rotation of the figure. So our counter started. So we are rotating our oval to the 360 degree. 360 degree में हमको oval को rotation करना है. First rotation not match 1, that means on 180. Then after again it is on 360. So our counter 2. So the order of oval is 2. Then we will see the order of a rotational symmetry of a square. Okay, so it is very easy to find out. You just have to rotate your figure at the center point of the figure. So we will see it when we are rotating. Let's start with the square about its center points. After the first rotation, same. After the second rotation, again same at 180. At a 270 it is also same, and at a 360 it is also same. That means the order of that rotational symmetry of a square is 4. Then next counter at 120 degrees, first one. Then at 240 degrees, second one. And at 360 degrees will be third one. Okay, so this is the order of our equilateral triangle. Then we will see about the circle. So circle having the rotational symmetry, you observe, it is very important. When you rotate the circle, it looks same. Always match the original shape. Okay, so it will have a rotational symmetry of order infinite. That means unlimited rotational symmetry order is there in the circle. Okay, then thank you.